welcome back to Cotton Creations. Today I have a holiday favorite for you, and that is corn pudding, and we're going to be making it veganized. So we're going to use just egg to do it, and the reason why I wanted to make a veganized corn pudding is because it is a staple at our dinner table during the holiday season, and I'm sure lots of you would agree with me, and you definitely want to have some of your favorites and staples during the holidays. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and put our just eggs, melted butter, and sugar, and we're going to go ahead and just beat that together until it is nice and smooth. We'll set that aside and we'll grab another bowl, and we're going to mix together our milk and cornstarch until that is nice and smooth. And now we're going to go ahead and add that milk cornstarch mixture into our egg mixture, and we're going to just whisk that together till everything is combined, and then we're going to add in some vanilla extract and some nutmeg. So if you're new to my channel, I just want you to know that all my recipes are located in the description box below. You can download them and save them to your computer, or you can print them out. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our can of cream style corn as well as our whole kernel corn. Just make sure you drain the water off of your whole kernel corn before you add it into the recipe. So you're going to add those and mix it into your egg mixture, and then you'll be ready to go ahead and put it into your baking pan. You want to go ahead and spray it a little bit with some cooking spray and then pour it in. Do note that the loaf pan would have made it too thick, so I transferred it and put it into my round pan. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple and straightforward recipe. Alright, so what did you guys think of that recipe? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any more greatness happening over here at Cotton Creations, make sure you subscribe, like right now. Thanks for watching.